Check out what I received from Glocusent. This is an LED neck reading light, and it also comes in other colors too. How cool is this? And this is what it looks like. And the best part is it's rechargeable, and it also comes with the cord, so you can put it into your USB charger and charge it up. How awesome is that? No need to change batteries. Now, another nice feature is this is flexible, so you can have it aimed to where you need it. And another nice feature is you can just do one side or both sides, or you can even change the brightness. So this is normal, this is brighter, and this is brightest, and then you just click it to turn it off. How cool is that? And it even gets better. So after I put it on, say I want to have a different color light, you just push on this back here and it changes the light. So here's a different color temperature light, and there's another one and another one too. Perfect. So it has 3 different temperatures. And still you have the brightness. Now this isn't just for reading, although it is great for reading, and you can just easily see, not disturb your partner, say you're reading at night. But this isn't just for reading. You can even use this for the daytime. Say you're a knitter or a crocheter, or you're doing some repairs or crafts too, and you just need that extra light. This is perfect to wear just to get that extra light to shine. Now, like I said, it is flexible, so you could put it to where you need it. So how awesome is that? Now, let me turn off the light so you can see it in action. How awesome is this? So as you can see, I am able to see at night reading my book, and it is so nice and bright. However, if I want, I can even adjust the brightness to make it even brighter. And if I want, I can even just use one light too. So it's very versatile. And like I said, you can even adjust the temperature back here. So let's say I want a little bit of a cooler light, or amber, or another white light. So this is great for camping as well. Say you need to walk around, this will also guide you. So it's really awesome and great to use. Definitely recommend it. This is such an awesome neck light. And if you have a reader in your life, this would make a great gift for them, whether it's the holidays, birthdays, or just because. They will absolutely love it. And if you want, you can even pair it with one of their favorite books. How awesome is that? Definitely recommend it. Thank you, Glocusent, for sending this to me. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.